What's up, you Modasuckas?
Who are you?
You are nothing but a sellout!
Oh, shut up. Don't call me my house no goddamn.
You ugly!
Stupid ass.
I'm ugly!
Yeah, you are ugly.
You retarded looking Modasucker.
Oh, don't you call my house now. I don't know who the hell you are. I don't know who the fuck you are. Don't you call that no goddamn.
You's a he bitch!
You stupid ass fucker.
What the fuck you said to me, motherfucker?
Yes, you he bitch!
Hello?
Motherfucker!
Hello?
You need a ladder to eat pussy.
Hello?
I
Can I
can't
help
fight,
you?
but I press charges like a motherfucker!
I mean, said I fuck you, man.
I can't get jiggy with this shit.
Oh, man, what are you talking about? Who is this?
Bullshit, motherfucker.
Motherfucker? Who is this motherfucker?
What is your problem?
What is your problem? You call me, man. You cussing for no reason.
What the fuck you said to me, motherfucker?
What is this, man?
What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
What happened?
Fuck you!
Fuck you.
You don't get fucked! Oh, fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
My name is Kojo Bedianko Onipa Anganya.
Bolivan, Bolivan, Bolivan.
If you gay, you better stay your ass in the trees.
Say hey to my little friend.
You are nothing but a sellout!
Ali, come on,
Can I have my money right now?
Hello?
Can I have my money right now?
Hello?
Can I have my money right now?
Hello?
Can I have my money right now?
Yeah, buddy.
Huh?
Yeah. Tell me something dirty.
Huh?
Your kitchen, bitch.
You he bitch!
Hello?
Fuck 2 chains. I'm 3 chains, motherfuckers.
Motherfucker, look for your mama.
Oh, shit.
You he bitch!
Your mother.
You stupid motherfucker!
Your mother.
They cut your ass off.
Your mother.
You ugly! I'm ugly!
Your mother ugly hair.
How the fuck you gonna talk about me and you look like me?
Man. Hello?
You retarded looking Modasucker.
Yo.
Motherfucker, don't call this phone. Who you looking for is not them you're talking to.
Every time
You don't
call
know
a bitch,
whose
you eat a
phone is
pussy.
this you're calling. You're making some fucking mistake. Don't call it back.
What's
Okay?
your problem?